Welcome to Balas's YouTube channel. Before watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Press this red button for subscription. Today we'll be learning class 6 Max chapter 2 angle part 1. Today we'll be learning about the types of angle. Angle. Look at the angle shown in the picture below and you have to identify the types of angle and write the name below the picture. First one, you can see the hand of the clock. This hand of the clock is which angle? Obtuse angle. Scissor. What type of angle you can see in this picture? Here, just watch carefully. It is a right angle. The beak of the bird. What type of angle you can see? It is acute angle. You should know this angles, how to name the angle, vertex of the angle and arm of the angle. First, let us learn the name of the angle. You have to name the angle from this side, from this way, PYR. The middle one should be in the middle, like PYR. This one LMN. This angle is BOS. In this way you have to name the angle. Vertex of the angle. Vertex means it is the midpoint which joins the two lines. You can see the line. This is a ray YP, ray YR. This ray YP is called the arms of the angle. YR is also the arm of the angle. But these two arms of the angle meet at a point. This point we call it as a vertex. So here in this diagram, Y is the vertex. In this figure, this M is in the middle, so vertex M. In this figure, O is in the middle, vertex O. Arm. Arm is the ray of the angle. Arm YP, arm YR. In this figure, you can see two arm ML and arm MN, arm OS and arm OB. Let's learn about the different types of angles. First is zero angle. Zero angle is the angle which is at 0 degree. When you see the protractor, here you can see 0 and here you can see 180 degree. So this is a zero angle and the measure of the zero angle is 0 degree. Acute angle. An acute angle which is less than 90 degree. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Right angle. Angle which is 90 degree is called right angle. Obtuse angle, angle which is more than 90 degree. You can see the different types of figure. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Straight angle. As you have seen the obtuse angle, the angle comes down. This is 180 degree. This is 0 degree. So when the angle is lying down in 180 degree, we call this as a straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 degree. You can see the different types of figure for reflex angle. Here greater than 180 but less than 360. This angle is greater than 180. Such angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 and less than 360. As you have seen from the start that this arrow starts from 0 angle, it rotates, moves, comes here. So let's learn about the complete angle. See this, it completes one round. With this arrow from 0 degree to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 360. This one complete angle, we call this as complete angle. It turned through 180 till it made a straight angle, and 180 after making the straight angle, thus completing 360 degree in all. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. The measure of the complete angle is 360 degree. Practice set 2. Now in this we have to find the types of angle. First one, 180 degree. Which is 180 degree? 180 degree is a straight angle. 240, it is a reflex angle. 360, it is a complete angle. 0 degree, it is 0 angle. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. First one, 75 degree. This 75 degree is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. 0 degree is 0 angle. Third one, 215 degree. This is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, so this is reflex angle. 360 degree is a complete angle. 180 degree is a straight angle. 120 degree, which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is obtuse angle. 148 is also more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so we call this also as obtuse angle. 90 degree is right angle. Look at the figure below and write the type of each angle. First one, what type of angle is this? It is an acute angle. What type of angle is this? Right angle. What type of angle is this? Reflex angle. What type of angle is this? Straight angle. What type of angle is this? This is zero angle. And here you can see a complete round. So this is a complete angle. Let's get to know your compass box. You have seen the geometry box. The geometry box contains a compass, scale or ruler, protector. This protector is used to measure the angle. This compass is used to draw a triangle. This is a set square. This set square, you can draw angle of 90 degree, 30 degrees, 60 degree and 45 degree. Divider. This divider is used to measure the distance between the 2 points. So here you have to get to know your compass box. Thank you. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like the video, subscribe it.